Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. We all know tomorrow's Halloween. The next thing I start, and I already actually started, it's Christmas. I start making my Christmas cards. And this year I thought I'd change it up a little bit. I have a thing for gnomes and red trucks. This is a collection of the gnome stamps I've had for a few years. And I thought, you know what? Let's change it up a little bit. But I'm going to show you what they are. And it's the polka doodle gnome for Christmas. That's the little house. Here's the little house too. And then I got this little gnome guy and the boy and girl, and then the little gnome on the reindeer, and then the gnomes right there, and then gnome on the fireplace, and peace and joy gnome, and the North Pole gnome. Them are usually the ones I use for my Christmas cards. But this year I thought, you know, I probably will make some with them. Because I love my gnomes. I love gnomes. I love gnomes and red trucks. A good combo for Christmas, don't you think? So, I did need some little bit of shopping. And I'm here to share the new ones. Get back in. There we go. It's nice little plastic cases. Work great for that. Alright. So, this year, their new brand, or they're not polka doodle. They are called Woodware Craft Collection Clear Stamp Set designed by Francisco Reed. They are made in the UK. And this is the first one. It's a little gnome. And he has a little snowman on his hat. So let's get 2 hearts, let it snow, winter wishes, wishing you a fabulous Christmas, and a snowflake. So that's that one. Isn't he adorable? Can't wait to color him. So that's the first one. And there's a couple more I want to get that she's going to try to get in. Oh, by the way, I picked these up from Scrap It Crafts Tina's Treasures. She's actually here in Wisconsin, so that's pretty cool. And then the next one I got was this one, Wood Care Craft Collection, same designer. It's a little gnome. He's got a little lantern and a reindeer on his head. It says, "Be merry and bright. Have yourself a gnomeful Christmas. Merry Christmas, ho, ho, ho." You got a heart and a star. And that's this one. That's so cute. And the third one I got is Stamp Color Outline Stamps Courtier Creations, and this one is I don't know who it doesn't say where it's made, but I thought it was cute. I picked up this one too. I'll show you. This one's a clear stamp, so you can this is what it looks like. I think he looks so cute because he looks like he's in his pajamas. So okay. Like that. So you get this little guy. I just thought he looked like he was wearing pajamas. I thought he was so cute. And you get the Christmas bulb hanging, some presents. And them are my stamps that I will be making my Christmas cards out of this year or whatever I choose. Well, they will be Christmas cards. Plus, you never know what else I'll come up with because I think that'd be cute as an ornament. So that's that one again. And this one is this one again. And then the little one I think looks like he's wearing pajamas. But I thought I'd share these with you. I hope you're all having a wonderful Halloween Eve because today is the 30th. I have my grandkids coming over tomorrow to go trick-or-treating in my neighborhood. It's a tradition for almost 30 years. I'm in this where I went trick-or-treating with Damian when she was little. And we've gone every year here. So people recognize my daughter, and then they're like, oh, and I laugh because the one guy goes, "I'm really old," because see, I live in a neighborhood where my husband was raised. So we go to a house where they knew my husband. And the guy goes, "I'm really old because I can remember your dad at your age." And then now it's, "I'm really old because I remember your papa at your age," you know? So it's kind of cool. So I hope you guys be safe tonight if you're going doing Halloween parties or even trick-or-treating, because I know some places are trick-or-treating already. So be safe out there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful night. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And happy Halloween and bye for now.